back to my sanctuary. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but here I am back. I've been pretty busy, very busy, but I'm doing my best to come back to y'all. For the ones who are already subscribed, hey, thank you for tuning. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for subscribing. And for the ones who are new, hey, my name is Javelin Cynthia, and this is my sanctuary where I talk about art, but most likely fashion. So let's get into the world of the witches and wizards. And the only movie that we're going to talk about is Wicked, because Wicked is going to be out in 2 days. 2 days. I'm excited to watch it. Unfortunately, I won't be able to watch it because I'm going to work, but definitely I'm going to the theaters and watch it. Probably I'm a get dressed as glitter. How about that? Yes, we can do that. We can make that happen, hopefully. But yes, thank you for subscribing again, and let's get into it. We're going to do the UK premiere red carpet rundown, and we're also going to do the New York red carpet rundown. So let's get into it. First, we have Ariana Grande in Ralph Lauren. It's a beautiful yellow gown, and she's wearing sunglasses. Huh, pretty interesting, huh? It's a very long line and it's very floaty, very princess. We already know it's the theme. And the fact it's not pink, it's giving me a fresh air. Actually, I'm relieved that she's not wearing any pink. I was kind of tired of it, honestly. It's pretty. It's a pretty dress, but I don't know about the makeup though. There's something throughout this press tour that gives me a ink when it comes to her makeup. I don't know what's going on, but it looks like she just fell into a pile of powder. So they need to fix the makeup, or probably she just wanna go nude. But the makeup is not giving her any grace. But overall, it's a pretty dress. Yeah, it's pretty. Next, we have Cynthia Erivo. Arrival. I'm pronouncing it in French or in the European way, but help me if you can correct me. Let me know how to pronounce your name. But she's wearing Chiaparelli Couture. Huh. The focal point here is that hole, that big hole in her leg. It looks like a big speaker, but it's very bizarre. I like the fact it's very glittering, but it's very bizarre for me, and it's just giving the focus on that dress. You're not seeing anything but that hole. Um, it might be interesting in other dresses, but it's just distracting us. And but the rest of the dress is pretty great. About the hat though, the hat is not bad, right? Right? What do you think about the hat? Just let me know. Next, we have Ethan Slater. Are we going to a funeral or what? I'm trying to understand. But anyway, he looks good. It suits him well. He's not that ugly. I thought he was, but he's not. Ariana, you probably know what you're doing. I mean, okay. whatever. But let's focus on the suit. He suits him well. That's all we gotta say. Jeff Goldblum in Burberry. Is it me or he looks sexy on it? He looks sexy in that whole look. People in there, older men are not my type, but the charm in that, it looks very charming, very gentleman. Ah, I love the whole look. It looks so great. I don't think anybody can pull off what he just pulled off. Okay? He managed it well. That's all I gotta say. Jonathan Bailey in Ralph Lauren. He looks like a restaurateur, like someone who owns a hotel or restaurant. I'll say a hotel. Yeah, or a server in chief. I don't know. I just don't like it. It's just a eh. Anyway, Michelle Yeoh in Bottega Veneta. She looks great. I love her makeup. I mean, her makeup is very nude, very neat. Love it. Love the earrings. The dress suits her pretty well, but it's just like it looks kind of big on the side. But I love the colors. I really do. Even though it kind of looks overwhelming, but she managed to pull it off very well. Okay, let's go next to the Wicked New York premiere red carpet rundown. First, we got Ariana Grande in Louis Vuitton. That velvet pink, that pink velvet is not giving her any grace. It's like I don't like the fact the skirt looks too big, and then you have that waffle top. It looks like a dress over a skirt. It looks too much. I'm wondering how she's walking in that. And again, the makeup. It looks like a pile of powder on her face. I don't like it. It's not giving her any grace. Oof. I don't like that shade of pink on her. It's not flattering her. Anyway, let's move on. Bowen Yang. The only thing that's interesting is the shirt, and I would have loved that it takes off. I would have loved that it took off that blazer so we can finally see what's behind it. I want to see if it's sleeveless, if it's long sleeve. I want to see. I want to see the design. It looks like some flowers on it. Like, I don't know. Like, I would have loved to see. It just looks dumb with that conventional black suit. Anyway, let's move on. Cynthia Erivo in Dior. I've seen the behind the scenes of how they made that dress, and it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Love it. I'm just thinking about if I do like it with the turtleneck and the sheer. But overall, the look is very beautiful. I think it's one of the best things that she's worn on this tour. But it just got that witchy vibe, that witchy look. Ugh, it's very beautiful. And her makeup is always on point. Let's start there. Um, and it also doesn't feel costumey as well. It's a beautiful gown. So, yeah, she looks great. She looks great. Next we got again Ethan Slater. Okay. Still look great. Neat. Love that. Jeff Goldblum. That whole black ensemble. I love it. I love that pure menswear, that posing. He knows how to pose. Like he's so happy. That witchy laugh, that witchy look. But I love it. He knows how to sell look. He's very impeccable. And I'm not surprised. I love that. Again, if he would have been one of the men to court me, I would have said yes. Yes. Next, we have Jonathan Bailey. Again, a white and black look. It looks like he got drunk as a server instead of serving, instead of doing his job. He just took off the tie. Like, I'm just like, okay. It's too much texture. I don't know. Jonathan, who is styling you? Who is dressing you? You need to change your stylist. ASAP. It's very it's very concerning at this point. Christine Chenoweth with I don't know how to pronounce your name, sorry. In Pamela Roland. It's very cute. Okay. I love I love that dress blazer. It's very sparkly. I love that. However, the sandals, I don't know. I don't know about the sandals with it. But anyway, she looks great. Next we have Leah Michelle. Wait, is she in Wicked? Are you? Huh, interesting. Hmm, I don't know what to say about that. I mean, the color of the dress looked good, but the hairstyle, I've been seeing the same hairstyle for too long. You need to change your hairstyle. It needs a retirement at this point. You tried so many things. But anyway, well, that's all for the New York and the UK premiere red carpet. Um, so far, my favorite look of Cynthia is the Dior dress, and of um my favorite look of Ariana Grande is the one like he's the Ralph Lauren dress. Yes. And after that, of course, Jeff Goldblum. sold me. It sold me in those looks that I've mentioned. The one in New York and the one in UK. Definitely this man knows how to sell a look, a fantasy, and because of him, some people will love to go and buy the ticket. I mean, the whole cast is doing a great job except Jonathan Bailey. I'm sorry, my man, but you need a new stylist. But anyway, let me know what you think about the looks in New York and UK. I want to know what you think, and I can, I will respond, and we'll see in the next video because there are more videos about Wicked. Because Wicked tour is not gonna end until they see all of y'all at the theater. Okay, so thank you for watching, and thank you for the ones who are subscribing. Don't forget to like, subscribe again, and to share, and don't forget to comment. Thank you, and see you the next time.